Parrot. Today, we are using our Parrot voice to write uppercase letters A to I. First, watch me, then let's do it together. Here's a clue. Always start at the top of the letter. Before we begin, let's review our action words. Say, curve around. Say, make an ear. Say, make a hook. Say, zip down. Say, zoom across. Say, slide down. Say, slide up. Say, lift up. That means move your pencil without making a mark. Remember, we always write from top to bottom and left to right. Are you ready? It's time to write. First, let's start with letter A. Watch me. Slide down, lift up, slide down, lift up, zoom across. Let's do it together. Slide down, lift up, slide down, lift up, zoom across. Next is letter B. Watch me. Zip down, lift up, make an ear, make an ear. Let's do it together. Zip down, lift up, make an ear, make an ear. Now, let's do letter C in just one step. Letter C. Watch me. Curve around. Let's do it together. Curve around. Now, it's time for letter D. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Next up is letter E. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Now, let's try letter F. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Zoom across. Lift up. Zoom across. Let's try a harder one. Letter G. Watch me. Curve around. Lift up. Zoom across. Zip down. Let's do it together. Curve around. Lift up. Zoom across. Zip down. Next up is letter H. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Zip down. Lift up. zoom across. Let's do it together. Sit down, lift up, sit down, lift up, zoom across. The last letter is letter I. Watch me. Zoom across, lift up, sit down, lift up, zoom across. Let's do it together. Zoom across, lift up, sit down, lift up, zoom across. Yay! You get a high five for doing a great job. Thanks for playing. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If your child is drawing a triangle, they may be ready to start the PALS Handwriting Program, starting with the Treasure Chest for uppercase letters. Head on over to playapy.com for purchase. Have a playful day.